Take a ride in the 2016 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, trailer tow group, rear wiper, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.